Hello, my name is Rishi Lula, Division Director at Pediatric Hematology Oncology at Hasbro Children's Hospital. Although we're unable to gather in person for our special events this year, the need for your support of our funded need for pediatric hematology oncology is greater than ever. Despite this global pandemic, our team has continued to provide cutting-edge care to children and young adults with cancer and blood disorders right here at home in Rhode Island. I'm so proud to share this video with you, highlighting some of our courageous patients and the caring, compassionate, and dedicated group of individuals that I have the privilege of working alongside. Whether our patients are here with us for days, for weeks, or for months, Hasbro Children's Hospital quickly becomes a second home. Making a contribution in support of the Pediatric Hematology Oncology Fund a Need will allow us to create updated inpatient and outpatient spaces with the feel and comfort of home for those patients who need us the most. I can't tell you how important this is going to be to their overall healing. Thanks to the generosity of an anonymous donor, the first $100,000 raised will be matched dollar for dollar. This is an unbelievable way to double your impact. So I'm asking you to please do your part to make Hasbro Children's Hospital a home away from home for our families. We cannot do it without you. We at Hasbro Children's have the privilege of caring for children with cancer and blood disorders that come from all around our region.
Hold on to me as we go, as we roll down this unfamiliar road.
We're treating more than just the child.
And although this wave is stringing us along,
we're treating their entire family.
just know you're not alone, 'cause I'm gonna make this place your home.
When a child is diagnosed with a life-threatening or life-altering condition, one of our major priorities is to provide them absolutely the best care possible with a focus on keeping that care right here at home.
Our family initially brought Anijah to Hasbro due to ongoing health issues. She went from being a normal, active 11-year-old to nausea every day, constantly tired and vomiting all the time. And we just knew something was wrong, but couldn't pinpoint exactly what it was.
I was scared to find out that I had cancer.
Anijah was diagnosed with an extremely rare brain tumor called pineoblastoma that started deep in the center of her brain. After surgery, radiation, and very aggressive chemotherapy, we had several months where the tumor was under excellent control and Anijah was getting back to her life outside the hospital.
When I found out the cancer is gone, I was really happy because I could start doing things that I couldn't do, like gym class and sports, and go on different rides like bumper cars and stuff like that.
So in October of this year, which was about a year later, we found out that the cancer had returned and it was aggressive again. And I was at work and had to leave and have my husband pick me up, and we both just kind of broke down because what do you do at this point? Your child's been through so much, way more than any child should have to go through, or any adult even, and to find out that now you're back to where you began is just heart-wrenching.
We restarted her treatment using a different strategy than we did the first time, and so far she's responding very well.
So I feel like I have so many people supporting me, starting with my mom, dad, and brother, and Dr. DiNardo.
Many of the diseases that we care for are entirely life-disrupting, but our goal is to use the tools in our arsenal to make these diseases manageable. And in many cases, there are things we can offer now that we simply could not offer a decade ago. One of the tenets of care for children with cancer and blood disorders is for our patients to have access to novel, innovative clinical trials to push the field forward. Funds raised through philanthropic support will allow us to renovate both our inpatient and outpatient units to create a modern and healing environment for our patients to truly make it a home away from home. Our program would not be where it is today without the generous support of donors over the years. On behalf of our entire team, we simply want to say thank you and ask for your ongoing support to help us take this program to the next level.
Just know you're not alone, 'cause I'm gonna make this place your home. Settle down, it'll all be clear. Don't pay no mind to the demons, they fill you with fear. The trouble it might drag you down. If you get lost, you can always be found. Just know you're not alone, 'cause I'm gonna make this place your home.
You are a champion. Now I know life is hard. Don't let that discourage you. You can do this.